Hello, welcome to J Academy, and I am Jamil Ahmed, and I'm going to show you how to install FFmpeg in Windows 10. Okay, so there are four steps that you need to follow to install FFmpeg in Windows 10. Number one, you have to download the FFmpeg zip file from the website of FFmpeg. Then number two, you have to unzip the file, and next, number three, set the environmental variable, and you can check whether it's installed by playing any of the files using FFmpeg. So let us see the first step. Step 1 is what? Download the FFmpeg. So go to your browser and here you write FFmpeg. Okay, so you'll get this website. Click on download, and I am using Windows 10. So you can, if you are using Windows, you can go and download Windows, and if you are using Linux, you can click and go and download the Linux file, or if you're using iOS, then you can go for this one. If you're using Mac OS, then you can go for the Mac OS file. So just click on the Windows, click on Windows Build, and here you can choose any of the version. I'm taking the first version, okay, and then you can, if it is 64-bit, you can go for 64-bit. If it's 32-bit, you can go for 32-bit, and I'm putting this as static, and now I'm downloading the file. So this is around 61.1 MB. So already it is downloaded in my computer, so I'm not going to download it. So here is the file in my download. Just unzip it. So that is the first step. Second step is that you have to unzip this. Okay, unzip the file. So it is unzipped. What is the third step? We'll see. Set the environmental variable. So once you unzip it, you can rename it. Okay, FFmpeg, and then go to the bin and copy the path. After that, you have to set the environmental variable for this. So you can go to right click on this PC or my computer, go to advanced setting, go to environmental variable, go to the path, double click, click on new, and here you can paste the path and click OK. Now if you want to check it's working or not, what you can do is that you can take any file. So I have downloaded a file, Days of the Week by a Kid. So here you can go and click write cmd and just write FFmpeg -version. So it will show the version. Yes, it is installed. So you can see the version here, and let us play the file. This is days. Okay, so you can give the command ffplay days.mp4. Let's put in double quotes. So you can see that the file is being played. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's see the next lesson.